you gotta say hi to Rumi. There's the glasses, yeah, like mommy. Just like mommy. Woo! Where's the glasses, Rumi? Ow, yes! Say hi. Right? That was fun at the bus stop. Not the bus stop, just outside. We outside, yay! So much better than being in a car. Damn, I got no fucking vehicles no more outside. That feels so good. Sit outside. Oh my god, it feels so good. You have no idea. No more vehicles outside. No more fucking vehicles outside. Oh, you gotta get rid of your cars, man. I'm telling you, you need a business buggy. Yes. That's what you need, a business buggy. And just get outside. Think about a car. You just gotta go out and then come back in. It's not like you're seeing what's in your neighborhood. You're not exercising. Like, you think about carrying stuff. I have to carry shit. This is the most amazing buggy. I love it. You walk it. This.